Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
So we're here at Dr. Wigoda's office. I'm just going to ask you a couple of questions.
Sure.
First, tell us what procedures you had and when you had them done.
I had a breast augmentation and a right breast lift and liposuction of the outer inner thighs and the flank region done yesterday.
Okay. Tell us a little bit, how did you end up having your surgery with Dr. Wigoda, or how did you end up finding him?
Well, I basically went online, Google, tried to find a plastic surgeon in this area, and originally I was going with another place, and but after researching that place, I decided it was more of a factory type situation, and they weren't answering my questions. I could never talk to the surgeon personally, like through email. It was always the secretary, and just through Googling, I just found that he was one of the top rated surgeons in the area with no lawsuits, which was reassuring. And I really enjoyed the fact that I could email and I got to talk to the surgeon himself and not just the staff. So that's why I decided to go with Dr. Wigoda.
Where are you from originally?
From Canada, Ontario.
So you flew down from Canada?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about your experience a little bit. You came in on the day of the surgery, which was yesterday. You had your surgery. How did you feel when you woke up and when you went to your friend's house?
I woke up and I was quite surprised. The time just flew by. All of a sudden hours went by, but I was basically no pain at all. The only thing that bothered me was my throat from getting intubated. But other than that, the rest of the day I was rather surprised. I had full motion in my arms, could raise them right above my head. No problems there. I had a little bit of pain just above the breast, but very minor. I didn't even have to take the pain medication that night.
And what did you do yesterday after the surgery?
I went back to my hotel and had a nap because I was still a little bit sleepy, a little wobbly from the anesthesia, and then my friend and I went along Fort Lauderdale Beach. We went and had dinner. I just had soup and some ice cream because my throat was sore. But we walked along the beach. You know, I was shocked, really shocked. I thought I would be in a tremendous amount of pain. I thought I would be done for the day and just resting. But I was actually pretty much back to my normal self. So I was very, very pleased.
And then, so obviously you woke up this morning, and how do you feel today?
Today I have a little bit of tenderness just in the buttock area and my low back because of the liposuction. But I have no pain at all in the chest, none in the arms, upper back, nothing at all. And just very minimal bruising along the sides of my thighs from the liposuction. But yeah, I got out of bed. I've just been going to the bathroom a lot, urinating all the fluid out. But other than that, I've been fine.
Okay, so this video is going to be on a website called painlessbreastimplants.com. Do you think that's an appropriate name for what you had done?
Oh, definitely, definitely. I'm shocked. A lot of my friends had breast implants and they said they were in tremendous pain. They couldn't move their own arms. They needed a lot of help for days. And I'm amazed at how little pain, if any, that I have.
So if you had friends or family that were interested in having breast implant surgery, what would you suggest to them?
I definitely suggest to come here, even if it's all the way from Canada, because very reasonably priced. I get a vacation out of it too for the same price I would have paid in Canada, and I'm very pleased with the staff. Everyone's been wonderful.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks.